Hello guys, today I have got JBL Xtreme 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how to unpair your speaker from your Android phone. At first you need to understand the process of the unpairing, because when you unpair your speaker from your phone you will not be able to connect your speaker back again without the pairing process. So actually that's it. That's all you need to understand. At first open the settings, then Bluetooth, and here tap this info icon. Now tap unpair. That's how to forget it. Now, as you can see, we don't have our speaker in the available devices list or any list. You need to enter the pairing mode and connect back again. Now your speaker is actually ready to sell when it's not registered anywhere, but you need to remember that it's better to sell speakers or just your private devices factory resetted. If you want to know how to factory reset your speaker, just search it on our website, on our YouTube channel. That's it. Goodbye.